Proverbs 16:24. Pleasing words as honeycomb, sweet to the soul, and health to the bones. In unity of voice, harmony of talents, we release this tranquility into the atmosphere. Nitrostickz, Philkeyz, D symbols, Philkeyz, and T strings. We say let there be peace. In respect, in solitude, we humbly mourn the death and damage, the departures of all victims of terrorist attacks, bomb blast, herdsmen attacks, suicidal attempts. We pray that the country and your loved ones find the fortitude to bear the loss and find the peace that they deserve in these hard times. For your sojourn is long gone forever. I speak peace to this country. I speak peace to every soul listening to me. I speak peace to every heart that is burdened and heavy laden. I know we are really in hard times as a country. A country where criminals and those who pawn their bodies for sex and celebrities, they are hailed and saluted for their success acclaimed, while those who call them out on their bullshit are called haters. How can such a country as this amount to much good on the blood of innocent ones? Oh, so painful. Nitro prophesy. We prophesy with strokes, the clashing of the same bolts. We release words, soothing for the soul, therapy for the mind, health to your bones. One cannot explore the many sides of depressions and the many things that lead to giving up on your existence. Okay, now to someone listening to me, I'm here to provide a therapy for your soul. In times when you feel lost, in times when you feel hopeless, remember that the battles of life is from cradle to grave, from womb to tomb. Do not give up on yourself when life happens and when challenges come. Remember, you do not determine what happens to you, but you have the power to determine the things and how you react to the things that happens to you. The ultimate measure of a man is known in times of inconvenience and challenges. The driven with a burning passion that you will make it, because the value of life is not in the abundance of materialistic possessions. Materialism is not a platform for success. Prosperity lies in your spirit. In the words of Dazzle, the dose of your validations are internalized. Be like the flowers that give up their scents when they are crushed and devoured. The beating of your heart is called purpose. Find purpose. It is a seed of destiny planted in your soil of imagination. Until we fulfill purpose, we are going nowhere. Now remember, even the scripture says, you are like a tree planted beside the rivers of waters. Your sources of energy, your sources of manifestation, your sources of fulfillment are found within you. You don't need an external affirmation to determine who you are. You don't need an external confirmation to tell and to spell who you are. Listen to me. Conviction is the headlight of satisfaction. It is the headlight of fulfillment. I speak on the power of intentionality. Be intentional about all that you do. Intentionality. Friends and folks listening to me, let us all be intentional about a better Nigeria. Let us all be intentional of the hopes and the prospect of our nation. We are intentional as we lift our voices and prayers. Oh God of creation, direct all noble course, guide our leaders right.